everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Plantains 101, what goes well with plantains. Well, I've broken this up a little bit into two different segments because the green plantains are treated more like a vegetable and they have a lot of starch in them. They're not sweet. When they start to turn yellow, and this is just barely starting to turn yellow, or they are black, they will have sweeter properties and often used more in desserts, or the yellow ones might be sort of in between the two. So they have some different properties and blend well in different cuisines and types of recipes. So I've broken it up, so we'll go through these a little bit. What goes well with the green plantains? And this information is in the description box below, so don't worry about writing things down. Herbs and spices that go well with the green ones, we've got cardamom, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry, garam masala, garlic, ginger, paprika, black pepper, salt, and thyme. What about foods that go with the green ones? Remember, these are on the starchy side and they're often used like potatoes, okay, like a vegetable. Foods that pair well with the green plantains would be avocados, bacon, beans, butter, cheese, chicken, chickpeas, chilies, coconut and coconut cream, eggs, tropical fruits, molasses, mole sauces, oils, onions, pork, rice, salsa, scallions, shallots, tomatoes, and yogurt. So they go well in African, Caribbean, Central American, Mexican, and Puerto Rican cuisines. Specific dishes, the green ones are also often used to make chips with, and they're often added to soups and stews and used to make tostones, which are fried plantains. Okay. Now, if you have yellow ones, and this is working its way there, or black ones, they're going to be sweeter than the green ones. Herbs and spices that go well with the yellow or the sweeter plantains would be allspice, butter, and browned butter. That sounds good. Cardamom, chocolate even, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, garlic, ginger, black pepper, salt, scallions, star anise, and vanilla extract. Foods that pair with the sweeter plantains would be black beans, bell peppers, coconut milk, dairy products, tropical fruits, honey, ice cream sounds interesting, lemon, lime, molasses, olive oil, red onions, orange, raisins, rice, rum, scallions, and sugar. They are often used in African, Central American, Cuban, and Mexican cuisines. And specific dishes would include desserts and puddings, soups, and vegetable stews as well. I do have some recipe links below that might help you out. So I do hope this gives you some ideas on what to do with the plantains that you have. Let me know in the comment section below if you have a favorite plantain recipe that you would want to share with others. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.